When you're revising for an exam, a professional qualification, or preparing for a presentation, Mindstone's Remember feature puts you in command of the facts with instant recall. As you're annotating anything in Mindstone, you'll see the Remember option on the pop-up toolbar. Click to add your list of things to remember. You can set yourself a question. For example, how much more can you remember using spaced repetition? This question step is optional. If you don't enter a question, the system will take the paragraph that the highlight came from and use that context to quiz you on what you remember. Now you can click the Remember icon on the left to be quizzed on things you want to remember. Read each question. Think of the correct answer. When you're ready, click Reveal. If you get the question right, Mindstone will wait a while before showing it to you again. If you get it wrong, you'll see it again sooner. This technique is scientifically proven to help you remember more, and it's easier with Mindstone.